Okay, this is the IELTS speaking test, and we are going to begin the speaking test, right? Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
My name is Chaitanya Kharil. Can you tell me your full name, please?
My name is Rosna Adhikari. You can call me Rosna.
Rosna. Okay, so Rosna, where are you from?
Originally, I am from Bardibas, but I was born and grown up in Kathmandu, the
Okay.
city of Nepal.
Can I see your identification, please?
Here it is, sir.
Okay. All right, that's fine. Thank you very much. So now in this first part, I would like to ask you some questions about yourself. Okay, let's talk about what you do. Do you work or are you a student?
Actually, I am engaged on both. I am studying and also I am working as a nurse part time.
Okay, so how do you manage the time?
Yes, as I already mentioned, I work part time, so it makes me easy to study.
Okay, so you are a nurse by your profession,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So why did you choose the field of nursing?
Before joining nursing, nursing was the dream of my mother, and also whenever I visit hospital, I was really inspired by the work of the nurses, so I choose nursing.
So what do you hope to do when you finished your nursing career?
I always hope to work on old age home, as I am really attracted by I really love to care the old age people.
Okay.
So I would love if I get the chance in a geriatric home.
All right. Let's talk about traveling. How do you usually travel to work or your college?
I usually travel to work by a car because it is really convenient and I can reach by my time.
Have you always traveled to work or college in the same way?
No, I haven't traveled in the same way because in the past I used the public transportation like buses and train.
What do you like about traveling to work or college this way?
Because it is really convenient and flexible, and the most best part of traveling in car is that I can listen to my favorite music or podcast during the travel.
Okay. So what changes would improve the way you travel to work or college?
I think if there will be the separate lanes for the bike and a car and any public transport, then it will make convenient and flexible to reach to the work by the time.
That's fine. So now in this second part, I'm going to give you a topic where you have 1 minute time to prepare the question. You understand?
Okay,
the topic for you is about describe a piece of electronic equipments that you find useful. Okay? So for that, here is your question. And this is the paper for making the notes. Okay? So your time starts now. Okay? Okay, your time is up. You can start speaking now, please.
A piece of electronic equipment that I find useful is my smartphone. I have had it since 2 years now. I am connected to it emotionally also because half of the payment was done by my father. So it is really important for me. I used to learn it by exploring a different online platform and asking with friends and watching tutorial online. And I have had it since 2 years now. It is really important for me because I can get the information easily, and every morning I wake up through the alarm, which my smartphone really helps me to set alarm on it, and it is really useful for me because it helps me to create content and upload it in YouTube. So it is one of the source of my income. And also whenever I have free time for entertainment, I use the internet through the phone, and also I play different games in my free times. Mobile phone have made my life really easier and convenient because I can carry it wherever I want, and sometimes I don't have cash to carry, but through the mobile phone and different app, I can use the phone whenever I am in emergency, and also. I can get an information within a second by just one click. It have really helped me studying nursing, or also I have it has really helped me in learning IELTS. I can get the information of different country within a second, so I can utilize it whenever I need.
Okay, that's fine. So now in this part, I'm going to ask you some questions related to the topic card round session. Okay, cue card round session. So some follow-up questions. Are you ready to answer?
Yes.
Yes. In this part of the test, I'm going to talk about technology and housework. Okay. So what kind of machines are used for housework in modern homes in your country?
In my country, in this modern world, many electronic equipment are used, such as washing machine, dishwasher, and vacuum cleaner, and so on. These have made the life very easier and flexible, and so that we can focus in other tasks of household.
So are there any negative effects of using these equipments?
As every coin have its two part, so it has advantage as well as disadvantage. Because of washing machine, people lack the skill of doing the housework work. They lack the knowledge, the basic skills, and whenever the washing machine or dishwasher is damaged, or we have to replace it, it also cost more.
Okay, that's fine. So now, do you think that all new homes will be equipped with household machines in the future?
Pardon, sir?
Do you think that all new homes will be equipped with like household machines in the future?
Yes, I think in the future most of the people will use this type of equipment, like oven. We can heat the food easily, and like washing machine, we can wash the cloth, and it is more clean than manual when we wash with hand. And also the dishwasher, it is more clean than we do with hand.
Okay, so now let's switch to technology, like used in housework, to technology in the workplace particularly. Okay, so what kind of equipments do most workers need to use in office today?
In office, most of the workers use the laptops, computers, and internet.
So how have the developments in technology affected employments in your country?
I think development of technology have less effect than it have benefits, because of technology, people are being more informative, and the work is very easier. But we cannot deny that there is an effect of technology, because technology, the system of technology changes frequently, so people have to take the knowledge of it, so it may pressurize them. And also some people may not be friendly with the technology, so it makes hard to them.
Okay, so some people think that technology has brought more stress than benefits to employed people nowadays. Would you agree or disagree, and why?
I think as I already mentioned, there have caused the different effects of technology in the for the person, because as I already mentioned, the technology system may vary from time to time, and people may be pressurized because of that sort of thing, and many people are not getting job nowadays because they have the lack of knowledge on the technology, and this have really stressed them.
Okay, so how the technology has changed since over the past years?
Yes, it have changed a lot since over the past year. As we talk about our mother, then they lack the knowledge of technology, and they are not much friendly with it, with the internet, and with everything, new equipments, and. Now everything depends on the technology. Every information we can get through a technology. Before, the newspaper was really famous and popular over my country, but nowadays people doesn't read the newspaper, rather than they just click the mobile and read all the information. So it have changed a lot.
Okay, thank you very much. This is the end of our speaking test.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.